Hello everybody, welcome to Ajay's Money Guru, your trusted source for the market insights. Today we will be discussing the Indian oilseed market. I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay's Money Guru and TusharGlobalServices.com. Welcome all of you in today's episode. In this episode, we'll be discussing the Indian oilseed market and particularly focusing on mustard and soybean prices. What are we expecting in the month of October? We will discuss in this episode. Let's explore the key dynamic influencing these commodities and what we can expect in the coming weeks. Mustard prices have witnessed significant upward movement in recent months, with prices rising sharply from around 6,040 rupees per quintal in August to around 7,070 rupees in September. This increase was driven by government policies, tight supply and strong demand. However, at Ajay's Money Guru, we had predicted this trend early on and shared our analysis, helping our viewers to stay ahead of the market. But now the scenario is about to change or not. We'll discuss in this episode several domestic factors indicating a possible fluctuations in the mustard prices. Let's take a look at these factors. Domestic factors, if we see, the first is the Kharif harvest impact on soybean. Fresh arrivals of Kharif soybean crop from key states like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan are expected to increase supply in mid-October. As supply rises, prices are also likely to get affected, especially as we approach peak harvest season. Government intervention. There is speculation that the Indian government may release stored mustard seeds into the market to stabilize prices. This, along with increased supply from the new harvest, could lead to a decline in mustard, especially a positive festive season demand normalizes. Favorable weather for mustard sowing. The late withdrawal of the monsoon and dry weather in key mustard growing regions have created ideal conditions for sowing the next rabi crop. Expectations of a strong winter harvest anticipate higher yields in the coming months. Record mustard production forecast. And the Solvent Extractors Association of India, that is SEA, forecasts a record mustard production in 12 million tons for the season 2023-24. This bumper crop is expected to exert further pressures. Now, if we see the global development shaping the soybean prices, we can see that rising US soybean yields. In the US, despite the late season dryness, soybean yields have exceeded expectations. Stronger than anticipated US soybean harvest will likely to increase global supply and exert downward pressure on prices, which will also affect Indian markets. Brazil is also expanding the exports. Brazil continues to ramp up soybean exports, leading to an oversupply in the global market. As these soybean enter the supply chain, the Indian prices are likely to face downward pressure. Impact of crude oil and biofuel demand. Stabilizing crude oil prices have led to reduced demand for biofuels, which is contributing to an oversupply of soybean. This oversupply may further depress international soybean prices, impacting India as well. And if we see the current market situation, the crude oil prices have shown significant upward movement in past few days. Also, the tensions in Middle East, especially between the Israel and Iran, has erupted many speculations for the near future. So let's see what is there in the future. As we move deeper into October, the Indian oilseed market is set for some major shifts. The arrival of the fresh Kharif soybean crop, potential government interventions, and favorable conditions for mustard sowing are all poised to influence the domestic market. Record mustard production and global trends such as US soybean yields and increased Brazilian exports suggest a decline in oilseed prices after the mid of October. So we are expecting a decline in the oilseed prices, especially soybean and mustard, in the second half of October. I repeat, as per our analysis, we suggest a decline in oilseed prices, especially in soybean and mustard in the second half of October. At Adjust Money Group, we predicted the significant price rise in mustard during August and September and continued to provide accurate and timely market insights. Stay informed about both domestic and global factors will be crucial for market participants to make well-informed decisions in the coming months. Also, for advanced analysis, you can contact us for our paid services. Our contact details are given in the description as well as on the screen. For more updates and expert analysis, keep following Adjust Money Group. Thank you and good day.